Right, Micro Dammit slope soarer. First G at C of G is 38 millimeters back from the leading edge. It's virtually on the span. It's on the spar. Let me just show you. I've not got masses of elevator movement and a lot more roll. So let's give that a go. We've got 5 or 6 miles an hour. We're on the top of Woolacombe. Micro Dammit with 38 mil back from the leading edge. Oh, we've got a hyper stall going on there. You can see that, look. So that CG is not right. Okay. So second CG, I've now put another 10 grams in, and I've now brought that back to the CG is now 35 millimeters from the leading edge. Micro Dammit CG, 35 mil from the leading edge. Oh, right. Let's give that another go. That seems. Hey? No, I don't know yet. Let's give that another go. Right, that's better. Right, let's give that one more go. That's better. Ooh. It's still just got that little bit of a twitch in it. Right, okay. So I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's move the let's put another 5 grams in and see what that brings to the party. 30 millimeters back from the leading edge, C of G. Yeah, that's a lot better. There you go. Just possibly. I was looking at yours then and nearly put mine in the edge. Sorry? I said I was looking at yours, nearly put mine in the hedge. Right, tell you what we're going to do. Oh, it nearly took the camera out. Right, okay. So, I think it's only right and proper. I mean, looking at that appears to be virtually, look at that. So I've got, yeah, that I'd say that's a sweet spot there. Because if I start adding more weight now, that is going to mean I'm going to end up adding more up elevon to compensate. be a miracle if that's in one piece. That is unbelievable. And that's still in one piece. I just flew it straight into the pole, and I thought, well, that's not going to stay in one pice.
Isn't it? Tough little thing, isn't it?